Control. Is it just an illusion, or is it something that we can actually have and assert on top of our data? So you want to be a Power BI developer. We can see it cross highlights, fact and dimension. The visual calculations. So we've got time intelligence within there. Let's just get right down to it. Let's start simple. So here we are, okay, in our main data set. And what we've got is we've got a nice nice line chart, but how do we know what good looks like with it? A control chart does that. They always start with an average X, okay, an average value. What is the average value based on what we've got in our chart? What are we showing? And we do it this way because over time the averages will change. And this is one of those benefits that you get from having a dynamic statistical model, that we can actually say, well, we just want to look at this part of it, or we want to look at the whole thing and get different answers. So here we go, we've got an average on here. Okay, there's different ways of doing it. This way works quite well. The next thing we need to do is to actually go through and identify what an upper bound would be for it. Okay, now to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to right click and select create new measure. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is I want you to see that when we paste in this text here for the upper bound measure, that what we've actually used is we're effectively using two X functions. So we're using the average X to do the average X, because we need to have an average to then add the standard deviation to. And we're also using this standard deviation X, stdevx dot P, and the dot P means against entire population as opposed to dot S, which would be a sample. We don't have a high number of data points, so we're just going to leave it as P. But if we had lots and lots of data points, we might prefer to go S. Then we're just adding those two values together. And to do the lower bound, we're basically going to do exactly the same thing. What we're going to do though, is we're going to take the standard deviation away from the average. And the result is that we'll have a band where we can see this is performance that's within band, quite literally. That's kind of the term that's used. And we can see on the left-hand side, we've got a couple of data points below, so out of band. But on the right-hand side, we seem to see an increase. So what we've really got is clear evidence here that our performance is improving. And this is much more obvious than it would have been if we'd just looked based on the chart before we did all this.